Hello, good morning students. Children, we had studied that there are two types of waste, isn't it? We studied that there are biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. We also have e-waste, a third category, which is recently generated because a lot of electronic waste are generated every day. Coming to the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, we discussed that biodegradable waste are such waste products which are rotten easily. It takes maybe a couple of weeks to few weeks and they rot and they mix with the soil. But non-biodegradable waste are such waste which do not rot, or maybe it takes a long time to rot and mix with the soil. So they remain in the environment and causes a lot of harm to the environment. We have done this before that in biodegradable waste we can have peels of vegetables and fruits, as I discussed that the kitchen waste. Every day some waste is generated because we cook food, the vegetables and fruits are cut and their skin, their peels are thrown, and those waste actually we will discuss that they are good for the soil. Then you have paper waste and then you have the wood, or logs of wood or maybe branches, stem, leaves, all type of plants. But in non-biodegradable, as we discussed, we should not use plastic. That is very harmful for our environment. Glass bottle, it takes about millions of years to decompose, and even aluminium cans. So these are the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste which we have studied. Now coming to biodegradable waste, children, are those things which rot easily, as you can see. Bananas and then paper, and then you can see some other kitchen waste. Okay, so all these things they decomposed by microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, and all these they they help to rot. I told you kharab ho jata hai, rot, and they become sluggy. It's very dirty, you feel, and but it is good for the environment because they are slowly they rot and they mix with the soil because of these microbes, because of these microorganisms, and they they bring the fertility of the soil, and they are helpful for increasing the fertility of the soil, and the soil becomes very good. Okay, so in this module we are going to talk about thing of waste disposal. It is a method of waste disposal. Of course, all our kitchen waste, it's a huge amount of waste every day, isn't it? Not only at home, in other places like in hotels, restaurants, even the hostels where people live, everywhere we cook food, and we have to survive with the help of the food. So when food is cooked, there will be some kitchen waste. And what to do about the kitchen waste? In this is called composting. And in this process, organic waste is all your kitchen waste, all your biodegradable waste from kitchen and garden. Even gardens also, if you have every day, now you can see in the autumn time, every day these dry leaves are falling off, the trees are shedding their leaves, and you find a lot of dry leaves or dead plants and leaves in your garden. So all these things is put in pits or bin. So this you can do it. I have told you that you dig a pit. Dig a pit means you make a hole. You dig the soil and make a hole. Like when you plant a sapling, you have to dig a little and then only you can put the sapling. Or even when the farmers they sow their seeds, they plow their. So here you have to do a little bigger hole, and or if you can't dig a hole, take a bin, like this bin you take, and keep on dumping every day's kitchen waste. Of course, children, you will say it gives very foul smell. So keep it away from your house, little in the in the garden or in your backyard or courtyard, you can keep it and keep on dumping the kitchen waste. This turns into compost, a nutrient-rich food for plants. Now this is very good because what happened, all the bacteria and fungi or the microbes or microorganisms, they start acting because जब खराब हो जाते हैं चीज़ें तो उसमें germs come, and germs are your microbes and they start working on it and they make it more bad, okay, and they start rotting, खराब हो जाता है, rotting, and then they start slowly decomposing and mixing with the soil, and then they, after a few weeks you will see that rot, the bean you had, it is all gone, means it has mixed with the soil and it has not. But that is very good. It is like a manure, organic manure for the plants, and it increases the fertility of the soil. Okay, so in this way, composting is also a method of waste management. Composting, you can see here all the waste are dumped in a place and they are given some time to rot, and then slowly they form the manure for the plants or your soil. Okay, so this is a very good way of waste management. But of course, it is only the kitchen waste. Especially you cannot throw plastic and hope that they will decompose. So all your biodegradable